Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to walk you through how I make my smoked turkey scent leaf sauce. Are you guys ready? Ready? Let's go. So what we're going to do first is boil the turkey. So remember, it's already smoked, so it won't take too long to get soft. In a pot, throw in your turkey, add some onions, and guys, the key to easy cooking is just using what you have in your kitchen or what you like, so that your life will be simpler. So when you put your onions in, just throw in your favorite spices. Don't put too much so it doesn't get, too salty. And then once it start boiling, we'll taste it to know if you should add more. Okay, so for me, I'm using salt, using some Knorr powder. I know it says chicken, but it does the work. Okay, and yeah, you can have other variations, but basically just use your favorite spices, the one you use normally to cook. So we're gonna put that in. So I'm also using paprika, some curry powder, roasted Caribbean spice, and roasted garlic, and also dry pepper. So like I said, just use what you have available. I know some people may prefer fresh, habanero peppers, but the dry pepper is available for me and it works for me, so that's what I'm using today. Thyme. I'm also going to add onion powder. It's not necessary, but I just like the onions in the food. Some garlic powder. Again, if you prefer fresh garlics, please feel free to mince them and throw it in. Some Italian seasoning. Some water. For me, I'm just starting with a bowl. We're just gonna put as little water as possible to start, and then when it starts boiling, the turkey should bring up its own juices, and then based on that we can add more water later. So for best results, you want to put it on low to medium heat to boil your turkey. I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm just going to put it on high. Okay, close it up, leave it for about 10 minutes. Hopefully by then the juices start coming out of the turkey. But again, just be close to your food. It's not good to cook and then be far away. Anything can happen, so make sure you stay close to the meal. Okay, so I'll catch you guys again when things have started happening. Nothing's happening now, as you can see, but once it starts boiling, I'll bring you guys in. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes and this is what we have so far. So the water is boiling. Can you see? So you can see the water hasn't fully covered the top, so I'm just gonna add more water and let it boil. All right, so guys, you can see as I've added water, it now looks like they're in the deep end, no longer in the shallow end. Okay, so that's what you want. And then I'm going to leave for like 2 minutes for it to boil, then taste it and see if I need any additional seasoning. Again, just taste it to your own taste buds. Okay, if you want it more seasoned, add more seasoning. If you want it more spicy, you add more peppers. Just do you. Cooking is an art. It comes from inside. That's why 3 people can use the same recipes to cook the same meal, but all 3 meals will come out tasting different or looking different, because it's an art. So don't let anybody tell you nothing. If somebody says your food is not nice, it's because beauty is in the eyes of the taste buds. Okay, it's nice for you. If it's nice for you, it's nice enough. So the water has started boiling a little bit, so I'm just gonna taste it after all that talk. It tastes good to me, but I'm cooking for more than myself, so I'm gonna just add a little bit more seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add all-purpose seasoning for that extra kick, because like I said, it's seasoned, but it, you know, since I'm cooking for more than myself, let's make it a little bit more seasoned. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. And the key to this thing is your turkey. Okay, so you have to make sure that it's seasoned well to your own taste buds, but seasoned well. Okay, so we're gonna cover it and let it boil for another 20 minutes. Okay guys, so 10 minutes later, and the turkey is soft enough. If you want yours to be like literally pull from the bones, you can cook it for way longer, the full 20 minutes, but I think I'll probably leave mine now at 10 minutes, and then we can begin the sauce. Are you ready, guys? Yeah.
Okay guys, so for the sauce we're going to use palm oil, so put that in just a little bit, and we're going to allow that to melt. Maybe yours is already melted if you're in a warm region. So go ahead and add some onions, chop it to however sizes, shapes you would like. If you're the type that doesn't like onions in their food, you can also blend it. And we're just gonna fry the onions until they're translucent. All right, so just making sure that you continue stirring the onion so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, and as you can see, now I'm going to add in some tomato blend. So the tomato blend has tomatoes, onions, peppers in them, and then red peppers. Again, if you have stew already in the house, honestly you can use. Now add the stock from the turkey you just boiled, and make sure that you stir them all up together, just so that all the spices, everything combines together, you know what I mean? And I'm going to be adding a little bit more oil just because I want it to fry some more, and I'm using groundnut oil this time because palm oil is expensive over here in Canada. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you can add more palm oil for sure. Then add some dry fish. You can also use stockfish as well. So once everything is combined, taste it and then adjust for seasoning. So I added some more all-purpose and pepper, and then you would reintroduce the turkey. And also for best results, you might want to break your turkey into like pieces, so as you scoop the sauce, you know, you have meat as opposed to putting them whole. So that's what I'm just doing in this part. And then we're gonna combine everything, and honestly you can even eat the sauce as is, it's still gonna be delicious. But since we're making Ntong sauce, we're going to go ahead. Okay, so now we're gonna add the greens. So this is frozen spinach, just making my life easy. Nobody got time to start chopping fresh spinach, so I'm just using the frozen ones, and then I'm going to combine them. And don't put too much spinach. You're better off adding the leaves like bit by bit. And then I'm going to also now put in the Ntong leaves rather. So English name is scent leaves, so add some scent leaves in there. Again, these are already chopped and were frozen because I got them from Nigeria, but if you're in Nigeria, you may be able to get some fresh ones, or maybe if you're in other parts of the world. Anyways, mix them up very nicely, and then I'm adding some more, so just mix and taste. You want the scent leaves to be majority in the sauce, because it's it's Ntong sauce, so I added more Ntong in there, and then just combine and just keep tasting, just based on your taste buds, based on, you know, how you like yours to taste. If you need more salt, more peppers, more all-purpose, please feel free to add them as well. And you can also add crayfish as well, if you choose to. Okay, so once you've added everything, you've mixed everything together, you've adjusted the taste, just leave the sauce sitting leave the sauce to simmer for about 5 minutes. For me, I like so much meat, so I actually added some more turkey to the sauce. I know, Jerry. Anyways, so yeah, then your sauce would be ready. You can pair this with boiled yam. That's honestly the best, like, for the best experience, pair it with some boiled yam, but also you can use it for rice or plantains or whatever, or you can even eat it as is if you're on some sort of diet. It's quite good. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you do try the recipe. Trust me, you would love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.